this is the document, or let's just call it an ebook, and then this is the cover that was suggested and created by AI, and then this is the 3D render of that cover that could be used for marketing the product. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a nice looking ebook cover using only ChatGPT. And basically we want to use ChatGPT from start to finish, from suggesting the design to creating the images that later you could use for marketing or selling the products on the internet. And here's how you can do that. Let's navigate to chatgpt.com and you can log in with your account. And here I'm going to be using this document as an example. This actually not really an ebook, it is actually just a real best practices to reduce AC power consumption. It is a very simple and short document, so I don't think this could qualify as an ebook, which usually has hundreds of pages. But anyway, this is really just for a demonstration. And basically, we want to upload the document to ChatGPT. I'm going to just drag and drop the file right here, or you can also just click this button and then click add photos or files, and then you can select the document that you want to utilize on this work. And basically, we want to use ChatGPT to suggest some designs based on the content of this document. Now, you can use this AI prompt, and by the way, the full prompt is available in the video description. Now, let me just go back to ChatGPT and paste that and send the message. So this prompt will use this document as a reference, and it will provide up to 5 design and also the prompt that later could be used to create a picture in ChatGPT. Okay, it's giving me some really good prompts, and it's actually very specific, very detailed, so you can get it's almost guaranteed that the result is going to be decent and at least suitable for your ebook. And let me try maybe using let's try this one, the design number 3. I'm going to copy this, and then let's go to ChatGPT, create a new chat on ChatGPT, and you can use that prompt to create an image and send the message. So this is the prompt, but of course you can always modify the prompt to your style, or maybe you want to change the color or any other design, feel free to do that. But this prompt should be enough to create the basic version or the early draft of your ebook, although you could use it for your final production. But I think if you want to make sure that AI is not hallucinating or giving you some bad design or some text that is not readable, I do recommend to just use this method as a way to get some inspiration for the final design of your ebook cover. But anyway, I'll just skip forward and show you the result before continuing to the next step. All right, and this is the result. I gotta say, it looks quite professional. It's very artistic. And maybe it needs only some little adjustment, like maybe I could add the name of the author, the production, etc. But overall, I would say this is a good result from ChatGPT. Now I'm going to download this, and the next step is that we want to create a 3D look or 3D render of that cover, so you could easily market this product on the internet, because usually it's going to be much more stand out than just a flat 2D image. Now, of course, we want to use ChatGPT again. Let's start a new chat and let's just upload a picture to ChatGPT. So let me just drag and drop the file, and you can use this AI prompt. I'm going to copy this, and again, this prompt is available in the video description. Just copy and paste. You don't have to manually write this. Just check the description and copy this prompt. Again, enable image creation, and then you can send a message and just wait for ChatGPT to create the 3D render of that cover. And again, I'll be back in a second. Alright, after less than 1 minute, I got this result. As you can see, this is definitely more stand out than just a 2D picture. And of course, you can click this download button to get this picture to your PC, and you can use it on your website, on your social media, to make your ebook product more stand out. So that's basically it. All the prompts should be available in the video description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.